Hello and welcome back to my channel, Cards by Melissa Minor. You can see on my desk in front of me, I have my 2024 planner. I will have a link down below in the description box where I go through a whole video of how you can print this planner. This is from the Stamps of Life. So let me go through some of the products I'm going to be using in this video. So I've pulled in this With Love paper pad from the Stamps of Life, Love Bugs to Stamp, Stamp and Dies. And then I got this really cute paper pad from Joann's. It's Park Lane. It's the Valentine's Day collection. And I got this on clearance. And I thought this was perfect to decorate my February spread, because that's what I'm going to be doing today, is decorating for February. And this plaid paper here at the back, that's the one I'm going to be choosing to use. Now, I'm also going to be using this With Love word die, and that came in my card kit club from the Stamps of Life. I'm also going to be bringing in a stencil. Now, this came in my Fold It Club, which these are not available for purchase separately. You can only get these by being a member of the Fold It Club. So I'm bringing in my Stamps of Life candy ink and these brushes, and then check out these cute little caps. I will have a link down below in the description box where I got these caps on Amazon. So let me talk a minute while I'm going to be stenciling here about the clubs that the Stamps of Life has to offer. So I was mentioning before that the Fold It Club is where I got this stencil from. So every month, on the 24th of the month, this Fold It, which is a shaped card die set and 2 5x7 stencils, gets billed and shipped to me. It's a never-seen, brand new set. It's exclusive to club members, and I believe it's a $26.99 value. You may need to check their website on that. Don't quote me on that. But these are exclusive to a club member. Once you're in any of the Stamps of Life clubs, you receive a 15% off discount on everything on their website. And if you're in more than one club, then you can get 20% off everything on their website. So I love that. I'm in all their clubs, so I love that 20% discount. I will have more information down below in the description box if you're interested in checking out their clubs or joining one of their clubs, upgrading to an additional club. You can use code MelissaM, and that is my affiliate link and my affiliate code. And I do receive a small commission if you use my code, and that just keeps me going here on my YouTube channel. Now, the first paper pad that I showed, the With Love collection, that unfortunately is no longer available. That did come in one of their card kit clubs. Now, their card kit clubs, you may have seen me use on their channel. It is a full box of matching items to create at least 12 cards. Well, it's not only cards that you can make with these. As you can see, I'm making a planner. I've made creative decks cards or memory decks cards. I use them in my scrapbooking. I use them in all kinds of things. But you get a paper pad, and you get lots of cardstock. You can see the With Love die that I showed. That also came in there. You get lots of embellishments. Now they're giving usually like a card die or something. It changes all the time. But I encourage you to check out the link down below in the description box to see what all is offered if you're interested. I just love getting happy mail. Now, the card kit is mailed on the 15th of every month. So if you're in their clubs, the Stamp and Die Hard Club is on the 1st, and the Card Kit Club is on the 15th, and then the Fold It is on the 24th. Okay, so I'm bringing in some paper, and you can see here that measures, if you're interested, that's 7.5 by 1 3/4. And so I've cut that down, and that's from that paper pad from the Park Lane collection. But that's going to go right here on the top. And then the bottom one here that I'm bringing in, That is 3 3/4 by 1 3/4. And that's going to go right in these empty spaces where the numbers aren't. Now I did write these numbers in off camera. And you can see I did a little stenciling at the top, and then these little love bugs. I did cut these with my love bugs to stamp dies, but you could also use the stamps and the matching dies to cut and color these yourself. I did cut mine with the dies from the paper pad, but I thought these were so cute. And they even have a fold it now that you can purchase on their website of this love bug. I think it just came out around, I think, Black Friday. But it is just like this little bug. So, and then this with love, I have cut this out in the guava cardstock and the candy cardstock. And I'm just going to put that right here on this lower portion. And then I'm going to glue, I'm using the precision glue press. I get a lot of questions about this glue press. This glue press is available, scrapbook.com has it, and then also Picket Fence Stamps usually has it. I think they're both sold out right now at the time of this filming, but you can check both of those places. Okay, so I got both of these little bugs glued down, and then I've taken some paper strips from the paper pad, and these are just strips that are 1 3/4 in length. And then I just cut them tall enough for the little envelopes. So instead of stickers this month, I'm decorating my planner using these different little strips of paper. So I know this paper pad isn't any longer available, but any type of pattern paper that you have, you could just cut little strips to decorate the different little days. Now you can see here, I'm arranging these in patterns of 3. So on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, I'm kind of making a visual triangle. And I apply this same concept when I am scrapbooking a page. I try to make my embellishments in a visual triangle. So I'm doing the same thing here on my calendar spread or my planner spread. But I did want to make sure that I have February 14th for Valentine's Day. I wanted to make sure that that had some kind of pattern paper on there because that day is important. Now, I really didn't there isn't really any importance to any of the other days that have the little decorations on them. I'm just giving it a little visual interest. I know some people will actually add different elements to their days to draw attention. I mainly use my calendar spread to keep track of different Instagram hops that I am in, or different scrapbook pages, commitments, cards, birthdays, anniversaries, things that I don't want to forget in relation to my scrapbooking and card making. But you can use your planner however it best suits for you. But that is how I do mine. And so I definitely needed to get my February spread done. So I thought I would film the process. Now these little envelopes, again, were little cutouts from the paper pad. And so I'm just adding these to each of the days. And so this is just giving it a little more interest. And I thought these looked really cute. I matched up the different colors to match the different little paper. Another idea I had was taking these little envelopes and just spreading them across that top portion. I thought that would have looked really cute as well. In fact, I originally had that first. I still have a lot of room to write my commitments in on my calendar. Okay, so now that I have all of those pieces on my page, I'm going to continue decorating. And these are from the paper pad, and I'm noticing that they are too large. They're not going to work. I really wanted to make them work on the page, but they're just not going to work. And so I am going to dig through my stash to see what else that I can find that might work. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it, but look what I found. So I was digging through my stash and I found this cute little pack of embellishments, and some of those that are in or have been around with the Stamps of Life for a while, you might be able to tell me, but this little pack of embellishments came in something. I think it might have came with maybe some kind of kit, but it had these smaller flowers and smaller love bugs that match this paper pad. And it also had some envelopes. I was so excited to find this because, and I'm glad I hadn't used it yet because it's perfect for this project. And in fact, the smaller size reminds me of like the little stickers that usually come in the card kit club. There's usually smaller stickers that match everything. Everything coordinates. I just love how everything coordinates together. So I'm going to get all of these glued down. I've got this cute little sorting tray. Here's one more little love bug. And I'm just going to try to decide here where I want to place everything. But I was so happy to find these little embellishments. If you know what embellishment pack this came from, leave me a message down below in the comments. And I didn't label mine, but I did have it stored in one of my Totally Tiffany 2 drawers. That's where I keep all of my little embellishments stored. So I'm going to finish gluing these down. Oh, and I picked this one up and noticed I'd already glued that one down. Oopsie. And then I've got this little love bug. He's so cute. She's so cute. I guess it's a she here. She's got a pink head. Okay. So I think I've pretty much got this done. I'm gluing on this last little bug. I think I'm going to glue her on to February 14th. So if you've enjoyed this process, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below if you need instructions on how to download your planner. I will have that link down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.